What the hell are you doing, Ivan?
Well, we're going to do the link. This is going to be my safety rope, so I don't fall up that side.
And that's tied onto what? A tree.
That's all right, isn't it? And this is how we get up, look, with the knots. Do you want to hand me the camera?
This is... It's not even...
tied to the tractor, so you're all right.
It's not even thick rope, Ivan.
No, I know, but it's all right. We'll see. I hope you can do that when you're 84, darling.
What a view up here.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it?
So that's the safety rope.
Yeah, that's my safety rope, so I don't fall over the edge, because I'm going to go a bit further down. See how...
And that's the tractor that's supporting the the climbing rope.
Climbing rope. And that was the lorry that we went to the south of France. That's what we used to take the regattas about in.
Okay.
So that's got to go, really.
And this is the Buckinghamshire-Oxfordshire border.
Yeah, that's it. Nice, isn't it?
So how far over are you going?
Well, see, look, if you look at this side, when I did this side, I went another bit distant. And when John did that side, he didn't go as far as me. I'm going to go out to those second nut. Oh, second nut, yeah.
Okay. Well, here comes John.
Here comes John with the metal, with the fiberglass.
So you come up the safety rope. Do you want me to take that?
Be careful, darling. We don't want you falling off.
You'd laugh if I fell off. Come on then, show me how you do it.
I'm going to do a sit down bit.
Yeah, a bit weak round there.
Okay, well I won't go
Be
there.
a bit careful.
I don't really need all that rope, John. I'm more likely to trip over that thing.
Do you think that rope would do anything?
Not at the moment, but if
That piece of string you've tied the national treasure up with.
See, the thing is, I'm not going to fall off.
No, this is only just in case you fall off. It means that you won't land at the bottom.
You're not just going to
I'll
let him
probably
go.
hang myself on the way down. Right, well, if you get me the gear,
To be honest,
Garrot him with it.
give me a bit of slack. Hold on.
there's a bloody great hole here, John. Put my hand down like that, one of them spikes
Oh, yeah.
right into my head.
Just wrap that round yourself again. Right, so you tell me where you're going to be comfortable going
I'm
down.
comfortable there. I'm going to have to go a bit further like that. Well, that's not too bad.
To be honest.
There's a hole here, and I'm not surprised it's leaking. Yeah, I thought about get out of this though.
We leave him there overnight, John.
Yeah.
It's a bit crafty, isn't it?
Yeah.
No collar up. You won't believe that old tractor, you know, it stood there all the winter and everything.
This one?
And it started first time. Amazing. Oh, I've actually got some guns in my pocket, I remember.
How are you getting on, guys?
Good, we're getting on good.
That's the safety string. Oh, that's the... I see, so you've done that bit.
So we've done that bit. We've got one more little bit to do.
We need a warmer day.
But we certainly ain't going to do it in a rainy day like this. In the end, that's how we did it. We just sat down on there and walked it down.
And where's your safety rope today?
Well, we decided that was health and safety gone mad because we didn't need it. Look, I ain't going to fall off, am I?
Don't.
I'm sitting down. So anyway, so hopefully that's going to stop the leak. But there's this grey stuff is like a finish that you put on.
Okay.
So we'll put that on. So we ain't finished yet, but you know, we've done.
So this has been distracting you from the cars in the workshop.
Oh, it is a bit, yeah, but you know. I mean, how are you going to get to do this? I mean, I'm sure there are people, but you know, we've got to get it done, haven't we? Because last winter, Mary's side was all right. She wasn't getting wet. But then this side, it was just dripping. Every time it rained, it dripped. It drove you mad. So hopefully this will be all right. And the silly part is that years ago, this bit of roof blew off when the sides was open. And we had a new roof put on here. But that's not, you know, where we sit. This is where we sit here. So anyway, hopefully that'll be really good from now. And we can get back to some proper work.
And any messages for your followers?
Well, it won't be long, we'll be on it. I don't know what we'll be on, but we
Don't
will.
forget to.
Ah, no, listen, I've heard apparently if you put a thumbs up, it affects your popularity with YouTube. I've never mentioned that, so you have to subscribe and you have to put a thumbs up. So try and do it, folks.